Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In this video I'm going to be talking about my Koroneiki Olive. This Koroneiki Olive tree has been here about 3 years. It's currently about 5.5 feet tall, but I'm going to top it out at 7 feet tall because I don't want that too tall of a tree since it's already surrounded by trees that are already tall. Now to the issues I've experienced with growing this tree, and one of the main issues, and it's been consistent, is that ants love it, and they love putting scale all over this tree. Not really that much of an aphid issue, but scale. Every branch would have scale on it. My other olive trees don't have the same issues with scale, if any at all. And that's really only the issue with this tree, thankfully. Things I like about this tree, you could just leave it alone. Completely hardy, tough, summer, winter, doesn't matter. It just keeps growing, keeps producing. Heavy producer. Its first year when it produced, it was so young and I didn't thin the fruit out that it tipped almost all the way over. It had at least 300 olives on it. A smaller tree than this had 300 olives on it. Now with its growth habit, it's a bit more vigorous than my other olive trees. It loves to be in full sun. Luckily with the olive trees I don't really do much foliar feeding, but I do put fish emulsion in the soil underneath the canopy, but I don't really foliar feed my olive trees that much. So it's not so much of a heavy feeder, at least in my garden. The most interesting thing about this variety of olive is how much it can produce at how small of a tree it is. This variety of olive I believe originated in Greece, hence the name Koroneiki. I love growing this variety to pickle the olives with. It's a smaller olive, but it's amazing in taste. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and